Another Bloons video. No, this is my first Bloons video, right? Yeah, it is. So, yeah, I know, but like, what should we do? Obviously, we're gonna raise the band's chipper up because we already got the Bloon chipper. Hell yeah! Quite the coins. Dang, thanks for already. It just say 8,303. They got 7. Nah, the game's scamming me. The game's scamming me. Okay, first level. This is oh my gosh, the background noise. Ignore the background noise. That's just my family. Gosh, gosh darn it. This is why I don't play with. This is why I don't. Oh, now I just realized I forgot to turn on the sound and the music. Okay, next thing to do, we just roll the volume. Oh my gosh, that's absolute. That actually hurts my ears a bit. Wait, why is this music actually vibing though? Thank goodness Dartwing Gunners are in the monkey. You know this. I forgot what it's called. Monkey teams thing. So I can get water boon stones, meaning I can get a lot of money and other stuff, which is good. Ignore how he was to fill lives. I think I was going on full speed. There you go. Press the barrel spin now. Now the pink boons are getting cut. Okay, there you go. Let's find a wave. I don't need the 2 boon stones because I already have a 5. Monkey teams? No monkey teams? Dang, why are there no monkey teams? Hold on. Why were there no monkey teams? We're back. Gang, we're back. I had to deal with ads. I promise those were ads, and I wasn't hacking. I will never hack, and I will never pay to win in my life. Monkey teams, yeah, monkey teams. Why is there no monkey teams? I just used only Dartwing Gunner, bro. The game's rigged. Okay, can you hear my family in the back? Whatever. Next thing to do is increase my volume so that you can't hear my family and the music might be too loud for you to hear them. I don't know what to do here. I'm way too weak to do some of the things that some people do. I cannot do the hell party thing. I got humbled real quick there. Like this? Maybe. Sure, let's try it out. Remember, I can only use Dartwing Gun again. Okay, guys, gang, we need to walk in. Who's good? Hey, who are you? Oh, what? Sorry about but you do not want to let the birds know think that I just that I have like, the idea of survive. But I don't. Anyway. There's no script here. By the way, there's no script. So if I accidentally say like a bad word, I think I'm gonna just cut the video instead. That's Not just cut, we're just gonna make a new video. Sometimes you don't really realize that that a video can take multiple attempts to do. Honestly, I don't mind this me stuttering. If someone insults me because I stuttered, who cares? Why is Stockman goodness so much better in Bloons Monkey City than any other Bloons game? It's like 3 times speed mode. This is just house jump, by the way. I don't think there's such thing as 3 times speed mode. Wait, hold on, I need to pee. But I need to finish this first. Round 10. Hold on. There you go. Yep, all those real wounds are cooked. There's no lids that spawn here, right? Even if there was, I can just go back to... I can just sell this guy, and I can get depleted plutonium dots. Whatever it's called. I forgot what the upgrade called. Depleted plutonium. Well, I mean, I was technically right about the dot spot. Okay, I can finally pee. Goodness gracious. I could do balloon fight, whatever it's called. Dang, where is my research lab? That is. I don't know what upgrade to get, and I'm saving my money. But what I do know I want to get is hydro rocket pods. Yeah, they can't attack black balloons, but it's better than like, I don't know, being dead. Yes, I am playing on a Samsung. So to see them getting popped, so I'm gonna do it like this.